Ramadan, Ramadan Kareem, and for the people who don't celebrate Ramadan, have a nice, amazing day. So today I'm actually doing 16 lines of toothpaste, and I'll be showing you. So this is your base for blah blah blah, then this is for this, and this is for this, and this is for this, and finally this is for. Actually, this video we're gonna turn down today. What I did, I put salt in it and mixed it up, just put a little salt. I put it in the freezer and I put the shampoo in and put some salt. I'll be doing a bonus video after this, by the way, because you gave me 6 months to try my after. So we're gonna just mix this up. Okay, so I have mixed it and I'm just gonna put it in the freezer. If it didn't work, we're gonna find out. This is the bonus. I added honey and salt and it would work, but no, it didn't. So this is an epic fail. So unfortunately guys, the blue one didn't work, but this one did. I'll show you later. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was an epic fail. The one that I did was amazing, the orange one, but the problem was I added too much salt. So you could do the same and it won't be like that. The second of all is that this was the hardest video I've ever edited because there was like a lot of storages saying too much videos, and I just did 3. I have a problem with my iPad, so that's why my dad's gonna be giving me an iPod Touch for my graduation. Thanks, Dad, with 128 gigabyte. And so don't worry, I'll be doing great videos. I'll be doing a trip, going to London, and these things. So yeah, have a nice day, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this epic fail. Epic fail video, and if you did, then give it a like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for 61 subs. That is amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video.